Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Customer says AC works only on high, which you have to translate to yourself that they most likely mean the blower motor while using air conditioner. This is what you will do. If your AC or your heater system works only on high. This is what they are talking about. When they put it on the high, it works, and in any other position, it doesn't. Why is that? It's a known problem on Tacomas, and that means that wiring harness and most likely the resistor are burned. They stop working, and basically only highest speed works on that blower. That means it's completely bypassed, the part is done, but it still works only that high. Let me show you here in the vehicle. Here you can see the blower motor is here, cabin air filter housing, and we are under. So the resistor, it's hidden. I will point my finger on it. It's right here. This is the part. But look at the connector. Did I say something about burnt? Did you listen correctly? Look at this. This is, guys, fried insulation. What do you think about this? Eh? What do you will think about this baby? They are lucky this vehicle didn't catch on fire, don't you think? Absolutely incredible. Maybe another detail, one more detail right here. So if this is your truck and you want to repair it yourself, what you should do? You can clearly see that the harness and the resistors are affected by that burnt. Here is the part from Toyota, the resistor, and here is your new harness. You will get these two parts. I paid today approximately $75, and you will go ahead and take care of this repair. I'm not going to film it again, step by step. I'm not going to be beating that horse. I have already two videos which are absolutely in detail how to perform it step by step on this channel. It has a similar titles, so you can look it up, and I will explain how to connect the wires. So watch the other videos. I'm not going to be doing this again the same way as I filmed that in two different videos on this channel. But I wanted made a video with different title, number one, because that's how people might be looking for it. We call it blower motor operates on high only, but people will call it AC works on high only. Also, I didn't see and I didn't film for you that connector being so severely and heavily burnt and damaged. So I wanted to show you that. You don't see it very often. I will pull out that resistor, and if it's burnt, I will show you that damage too. That resistor is held by unusual size 2 bolts. It's a 5.5 millimeter socket you need if you want to do the job. Again, it's all set in the other two videos. Here you can see this looks totally normal, but the burnt is right there. Let's grab the light and shine inside. You probably, hopefully can see that inside that one connector, it's completely, the plastic, it's completely burnt around it. So this is pretty common repair, and I see it in all kinds of stages of failure. I didn't film this one. This is really nasty, how that wire on that connector is pulling out everything, that heat melted it in charcoal. I want to show you that. Hopefully you are so excited like I am. It's always a little bit different. This one, it's clear that you really don't replace only the resistor, or try that connector has to be replaced too. So good luck with your own repair, and if you want to see how it's done, it's on my channel underneath the Tacomas. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend. Here you can see it on different background. The colors of that burn. It's pretty amazing. Just quick shot of the repair. I will be still applying that black tape to put it together. Let's see if it works. Hop. Let's listen. Oh yeah, it's already running on low. Yeah. And we have a brand new cabin filter installed, so I will install this back, and we have another happy customer.